So this is a sound test. Right now, this video is recording from the built-in mic on my MacBook Pro, brand new MacBook Pro, with this loud simulation of a coffee house sound playing on my home stereo. It's set to be pretty loud. It's about 6 feet away. Um, so if I'm doing a video conference right now, it's going to be pretty noisy. So now I'm doing the same recording, but recording through the Plantronics microphone. So again, loud coffee house sound simulation in the back, but I'm talking through the microphone. And I'm just going to turn my head a little bit to either side to capture some more ambient noise. So kind of as a final test, now it is cranked up to be so loud that it's actually uncomfortably loud. Um, and I'm still speaking through the microphone of the Plantronics. This is the same uncomfortably loud, so I'm actually yelling because I can't hear myself, playing and recording through the built-in Mac microphone.